evening, ma'am.
Yes. Again, it had gone. Yeah. So,
Uh,
yeah. Let me know about you, Raju.
First of all, good evening now.
Yes. Good evening, Raju.
My
Yes.
name is Raju Kumar. I am from Bihar district in Sitamarhi. Now I'm pursuing engineering, aerospace engineering, and from South India. My hobby are dancing and playing chess. That's all it.
Oh my God, you dance? How
Yeah, I'm
nice.
a dancer also.
Okay. You dance on DJ or any kind of folk songs, any kind of song. You can dance on any?
Yeah. I'm a intermediate dancer. I have completed beginner dancer. Now I'm intermediate dancer, professional level dancer.
Oh, that's interesting, because I have not, till now on the video conversation, I've never seen a boy, kind that he dances, his hobby is to dance. Okay. It's a good thing,
So so many dance I did in my college, in my school days also.
So what kind of a dance you do? Like there are many kinds, dances. What kind of
I'm
dance you
doing
do?
dance like a freestyle. Freestyle.
Okay, freestyle. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Because the TV, TV, the dance program has been telecasted many times, So I know about
Yeah.
something about dance, how many kind of dances are there. So that's why I'm asking
Uh,
you. Okay.
Lots of types of dance. The people, they are dancer, they know the types of dance. But the people, they are no dancer, they don't know how many types of
Yeah,
dance. There are
but
lots of freestyle dance, hip hop dance, and popping,
yeah, hip
locking,
hop, yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah, these types of dance.
Jazz and hip hop and what are
Uh,
there are many kind of, right now I'm not able
yeah,
to connect. Yeah.
yeah. It's
So yeah,
freestyle
do you
dance. Everything is freestyle dance means everything you have, everything is there. These types of dance.
okay. So do you have your any channel of dancing? Then you can share with me.
Yeah,
I can put you dance over there.
yeah, yeah. I have the channel in YouTube also. It's the Raju Apple Dancer, and also one more channel is also speaking English speaking channels also. I have two
Oh, okay.
channels.
See. After having conversation, you send me both the names, of an English channel and one of dance. I want to watch your dances. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sure, definitely.
So, so Rajiv, you are connecting me from which place? I forgot.
Now I'm connecting with you from South India. Actually, I'm was in Bihar side.
Okay.
For a
So,
study purpose, I'm is here, South India.
okay,
Actually,
you
look,
are in South
there is
India.
my college inside the ground. I'm in the
Wow,
top floor.
great. Okay, wow. So right now you are on the top floor, like you are in your own open
Yeah,
space. You are on terrace.
yeah. Look, that is in my uh, private jet is there in this my college. But I can't.
Yeah, very
I'm
nice.
not able to show to you.
So Raju, your native language is what
Yeah,
is your native language?
this is my college's private jet in aeroplane is there. I think you are not see
Okay, that's
properly.
great. Yeah, I can watch
Actually, my
from
native
here.
actually my native language is totally Hindi language.
Hindi. It's Hindi. Okay.
Yeah, only Hindi medium.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, Raju, you are. When did you join this group?
It's 1 month I have completed in this group 1 month.
1 month. It's been 1 month.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So
So
yeah, you are calling. Yeah. What is the city's name? The place from you are calling me. What's the name of that city?
Chennai, but the district in Komrapalayam, Erode district in the
Okay. It is in
Chennai.
Chennai.
Actually, yeah, it's Chennai. Is my college to Rameswaram 100 kilometer, and also Sri Lanka border is also 100 kilometer.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
The
So
last in the
Chennai.
Chennai.
Yeah. So Chennai these days it's been very hot. No, these days.
Yeah, now its temperature is 41 degree temperature.
Okay. Oh. Then how? Then how you are on the terrace? Terrace must be so hot in the open space you are
Yeah,
standing.
it's terrace is very hot, but I have talk with you. It's okay, no problem.
So, yeah. So you are learning English language these days, okay?
Yeah, I'm also learning
So
English
yeah.
language these days.
Besides having conversation, what else you do to build up your
Actually,
skills? Yeah.
yeah, actually, tomorrow is my semester exam. I'm not doing regular practice in these apps. Also, after the exams, I will do practice regularly. But after the conversation, I did so many things. Like a practical, where I talk the people's like go to through the uh, crowding area. I talk the people. Some people know English. Actually, my college is fully English medium. No one know Hindi. Actually, those persons from the North Indian side, they people know only Hindi. But the South Indian peoples, only one, two, three members know in this college Hindi. But other peoples they don't know Hindi.
Yeah.
Whenever
But
I
you
want
know,
to
yeah.
need anything, talk anything, go and speak easily in English. These things in my
But
college also. My
Chennai,
teacher,
but you know, Chennai people, if we want to convey them something, you know, if we went to we had gone to market some many years back. We were in Chennai, so in a shop, you know, in a shopkeeper didn't knew how to talk in Hindi. So yeah,
yeah,
so you know,
shopkeeper
yeah,
also is
they
speaking.
know English. They know English, you know. Yeah, at the Chennai,
Yeah,
you know,
shopkeeper also.
yeah. So in the markets, if we want to ask something, we can convey our, you know, whatever we want to say, we can convey in English. So even the
Yeah,
shopkeepers
yeah,
know the English language over there. Yeah.
yeah. Shopkeeper is not a local shopkeeper. Every shopkeepers, advanced shopkeepers, professional shopkeepers, local shopkeepers, every shopkeepers know Hindi. Whatever I want, he give to. I said, excuse me, sir, I want these things. They immediately give. They understand that time English, whatever I'm speaking. Then I saw when I came in this college first year. I have completed in this college 1 years. I came. I went from outside and go other shop. I need something. Then I said that time I spoke Hindi. Then my friend said to me, "There is no one know Hindi. We have to speak English." Okay. Then I speak English. They understand that time. Oh my God, they understand that. They give the food like this, whatever I want. Okay, oh my God, I saw every people there know English and
Yes.
talk with the people fluently. Not a like a little bit fluently they talk. It's talk that time. What is there is environment is very good. I talk
Yeah,
about
I know.
compared to
Yeah.
North Indian side. North
Yeah,
Indian
yeah,
side.
yeah. Your side, you know, people mostly speak English, and they're able to convey whatever they want to say. Yeah, I've seen there in Chennai. But in our side, you know, somebody while having conversation, a girl, she suggested me, ma'am, you when you go outside, you talk to the shopkeepers and vendors. Why don't you try to speak in English? But I told them in North India, no, the shopkeepers they will be laughing at us. You know, they'll tell, "ये पागल हो गई है क्या English में बात कर रही है?"
Yeah,
So
like same thing.
yeah, yeah. So the people over here, no, they don't. They only want to speak in Hindi. They're more comfortable, like in their native language.
Yeah, they don't comfortable also. They can't understand like this. Even the shopkeepers, if I talk about na, the North Indian side, the people are completed PhD degree and I become BSc engineer also. They can't speak English as well as they can't understand English also. If not in, but if I talk about South India sides, they will be like 4 years old, 6 years old, 10 years. Everyone is speaking English. Oh my God, I saw it. Oh, they see people and saw it. Oh my God,
Yeah,
fluently
yeah.
English, fluently English they are speaking.
Yesterday, no,
Our mom
yesterday,
also,
yeah, yeah. Carry on, Raju. Yes.
our mom and father also that time is speaking English. Oh my God, what the environment is there.
Yeah, I
That
know
thing.
about. Yeah. Yesterday, no, I was talking to one Mumbai person. He was a panwala. He had a small
Hmm.
shop, his pan shop, and he was selling some customer who used to come there, and they would ask for cigarettes. Other moment, somebody would ask for a pan. So he was, you know, was trying to speak to me in English. He had his channel, and I don't know what is his name is. So I felt so happy that even he is trying to build up his communication skill. He is having a pan shop, and you know, is a like I enjoyed, when he was talking to with me. So many customers in between, they were coming to ask pan or cigarette or bidi, So, but I told him, though you are selling, are you in the habit of smoking or chewing that pan? He told, no, man, I never use these kind of things. Only these are for my customers. Yeah.
So you are a teacher also.
No, no, no. Only very long back. Very long back, I had a long life, So in my very past, I was a teacher in the school, but it's been many years I left the job here.
Oh,
Now I'm fully resting at my home. I have nothing to do in the future, like to teach anywhere or to do a job. Only I'm learning for my satisfaction. Yeah, I would say.
so now your age is like this 40 and 40 plus. Then you are learning English. So how you
Yeah,
get the
exactly.
motivation?
Yeah. No, I'm more than that. I'm more than that. Yeah, but I'm learning. In any age. Yeah, there's no need to break a certain to break at certain age. We can't learn. Yeah, we don't have to do this. We are free to. Yeah, until I die, I'll go on learning. Yeah.
Life
So
is learning. Learning is life, I
life
think.
life is about learning. So whatever it is, not only about English, whatever it is, whether it's a cooking, stitching, embroidery, dancing, singing, at any stage, we can start our practice. It's not about
Yeah,
the
that's
age. Yeah, correct.
yeah. So right now, what is the temperature there?
Temperature over here it may be 40. It has been decreased a little because some yesterday or day before there were a little bit of cloudy. It was not a sunny
Uh,
day, and yeah, the temperature has 1 or 2 degrees. It has fallen down, and before that it was 42.
so you are
Yeah.
talking from Maharashtra. Yeah, am I right?
No, I am from UP, Lucknow.
Lucknow. Oh, Lucknow.
Don't
Yeah,
you
Lucknow. Lucknow.
don't don't you know about Lucknow? Do you know something about Lucknow?
No, I know Lucknow. One institute is there. Uh, Real Talk Institute. I think is very famous in YouTube.
Which one? Which one?
Real Talk Institute. I think they're the teaching Mr. Cap sir. They're teaching in English personality development.
No, I'm not heard. Maybe I not heard. Yeah. And Lucknow is such a
It's
big
very
city. Maybe in some area, yeah, but I don't know much about it.
yeah, it's a big city. I heard, but I want to go there in future, but some problem. That's why I'm not went there.
It's the capital of UP. Uttar Pradesh is the capital.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
I forgot the all locations. Actually, I know, but now I'm forget that location. Which place
Yeah.
is
You
there?
heard about the Ayodhya? Have you heard about Ayodhya Ram Temple?
Yeah. I heard. Actually, I came
Yeah, it's
from
yeah.
Delhi side.
It's it's only 3 hours drive from Lucknow by road. So past 15 days we had been to Ayodhya. Yeah, and we had a darshan of Ramchandra ji.
What is the environment in their area, Ayodhya side?
Sorry?
What is their environment? The whole environment in the Ayodhya side.
Environment in Ayodhya, you are
Yeah,
asking?
yeah.
Yeah, see, it has become a more religious place. Though it was a religious place before also, but since this temple has built up, so since then it has become there are so many people surrounding all of the Ayodhya. It has been crowded that city. It was not that kind of city before, but now so many people are coming. The devotees are coming from all over the places to worship, and yeah. It's all the what to say in the campus of that particular temple, there are many things. It's building up them. I think it's a only the main building is there, and there are some right or left. Some workers are there. The with pillars, and it's the work is going on there. So
Yeah,
maybe
now is also work going on there. I saw only YouTube and social media in Ayodhya, but I did not visit there.
yeah, it's close to Lucknow. That only I'm saying. Yeah.
So, okay, in future I will definitely go in Ayodhya.
Yeah, बिल्कुल you can. You can come to Lucknow also if you want to visit Lucknow. It's a good city.
Okay, definitely I will come.
My friend is in Chennai, so we'll be going to Chennai in September. And to
Okay,
Chennai and then place Pondicherry, close to Chennai. And we'll be
okay.
going to Pondicherry as well.
Oh, that's it's very good to you also. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Actually, time is 15 minutes. Now I'm going
Yeah,
to
yes,
study
yes,
because tomorrow
yes.
is my exam.
Okay, now you send me your channel's name as well as your dance link. I want to watch your dances, okay? And
Okay,
I'll
okay.
subscribe.
Subscribe
I'll
first of all.
subscribe
Subscribe my
both the
channel.
channels. Sorry?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye bye then. Okay.
Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Okay.